Welcome 8th graders. You are on task number 2 of your robot research project. And for this, you are going to be doing vocabulary definitions for 5 words. And then today's essential question is, what is a robot? And it may seem like a simple question, but it's kind of a fun one to debate. And so that's what you're going to answer by the end of task number 2. So looking at your design notebook, you can scroll down to task number 2. Remember the shortcut here. And at the end of this task, remember to come back and answer this question. And there's a lot of so-called experts that disagree on what is a robot. And so this ties into your first vocabulary word of the definition, and then examples and non-examples. So when you think about it, some people are going to say your cell phone is a robot. Some people disagree. Think about what is a robot? What actually makes that to be considered a robot? Other than that, you have mechanism, simulate, innovate, and then one that you'll be using a lot for your project is a sensor. So for each of them, remember to look up the definition, insert a picture of that, an example and non-example. Of course, you could type in opposite of or antonym of for the word. And then at the end, your daily summary is what did you learn from this, and what's one example you have of being successful for task number 2. Once you're done with this, get ready to move on to task number 3.